Shares are a simple way to show the day-to-day life of your program and deepen connection with your community. In this short video, you'll learn how to post a share on the posting board, so your everyday updates, wins, and insights help people get to know the provider behind the listing. Start by visiting thepostingboard.com and clicking Login at the top right. Select the Member Login tab. Then, enter your email address and password. From your members' dashboard, scroll down to Shares, click the highlighted button, then select New Shares to begin posting. Start with a clear title that tells people what this update is about. Add smart tags, short keywords separated by commas, up to 100 characters, so the right readers can find your share. Think recovery tip, self-care idea, team win, or collaboration. Choose Publish Post now. Select Yes to go live or No to save as a draft. Pick the categories that fit your update, like announcement, question, staff spotlight, or reflection. Add an image to support your update. This is optional. You can upload your own or choose stock photos. Recommended size is 750 by 400. Post your share content here. Keep it conversational and helpful. A few short lines are perfect. Invite connection, what's happening today, what's new, or what you're asking the community to weigh in on. Did you mention a colleague or partner in your share? Add a special mention so readers can connect with them. Under Special Mention 1, type the provider, organization, or person's name. For example, Hope Recovery Center or Jane Smith, LCSW. In the tag box, paste the full link to their page. Be sure it starts with https://. Have another? Repeat with Special Mention 2 and its tag link. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. Your share will credit those you mentioned and make it easy for the community to find them. Your everyday moments deserve to be seen and shared. Post a share today to invite connection and let people meet the provider behind the listing. Show your commitment and grow your impact on thepostingboard.com. Treatment's one-stop resource site.